Hi, boys and girls. This is going to be week 2, day 2 math lesson. So yesterday, you worked on the concept of exactly the same or not exactly the same. And you were comparing objects and you had to decide whether they were exactly the same or not exactly the same. Today, we are going to be working on a concept kind of similar to that. We're going to be comparing two objects, and we're going to talk about the objects using the words. These are the same, but there's going to be something different about them. So they might be the same, but a different color, but a different size. There's going to be something different about them. So what we're going to do to start is we're going to get our left hand mat again. Do you remember your left hand mat from yesterday? I want you to get that out along with your cubes. And we're going to take a look at our left hand mat again. So I have mine right in front of me here. Let's see if I can move you down a little bit to see a little bit better. There we go. I have my left hand mat out in front of me. I want you to take your left hand and I want you to match it up with your left hand mat. So lay your left hand over your left hand mat. How many hands do you see on the paper? 1. How many hands do you have in real life? 2, right? Take one cube. Put it on your left hand mat's pinky. Put it on the pinky. How many cubes do you have out? Very good one. Put another cube down. How many do you have now? 2. Put another cube down. How many do you have now? 3. Put another cube down. How many do you have? 4. And put your last cube down over your thumb. How many do you have out now? 5. Nice job, friends. You are good at counting those cubes on your fingers. Now let's go backwards again. So take your thumb cube off. How many do you have? 4. Take your next one off. We have 3 left. Take one more off. We have 2 left. Take one more. We only have 1. And we take our last one, and how many do we have now on our hand? None. Our hand is empty now. It's blank. Okay, you can put your hand mat off to the side now. I'm going to show you another math game that we like to play. It's called finger flashes. I'm going to flash a number of fingers at you, and you have to say how many out loud. Okay? This is a very quick game. So, I'm going to show you how many. 1. Very good. None. How many now? 1, 2. Very good. How many now? 1, 2, 3. Very good. How many? I'm going to try and trick you. 3. Very good. Don't let me trick you. Nice job. Those were some finger flashes we did, friends. Okay. We're going to do an application problem together. So go ahead and get your blue Learn book. And we are going to open up your blue Learn book to page 7. This is our lesson 2 application problem. So it says lesson 2 application problem up at the top. Page 7, a big empty box. The problem says Jeremy has 3 marbles. Draw his marbles. Have you ever seen a marble? Do you know what shape a marble is? A marble is a circle. So we're drawing Jeremy's 3 marbles. 1, 2, 3. How did you draw Jeremy's 3 marbles? Maybe you want to color them too. So I have a red crayon here. I'm going to go ahead and color mine red. They're not very big, so it won't take too long to color them. Three marbles for Jeremy. That's how I drew my 3 marbles. How did you draw yours? Maybe you arranged them in a different way. Awesome. 3 marbles. Today, friends, you are going to be learning about and talking about things that are the same but different in one or more ways. So things that might be the same but a little bit different. So for example, if I were to hold, here we go, these 2 crayons up, they are crayons, right? So they're the same, but they're different colors. So these 2 crayons are the same, but one is red and one is yellow. That's a way that they are different. Okay, friends, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to actually end this video now, and you are going to go ahead onto our schedule and watch Mrs. Arwood's math video for lesson 2. It's right on the schedule. You're going to watch that video, and then I'm going to record another math video. There's going to be a 3rd math video for our workbook pages, okay? So we're going to end now. Go ahead and watch Mrs. Arwood's and then watch mine to work on our math pages together. Thanks, friends.